Why Guru Purnima? Yes, today is Guru Purnima and my best wishes to everybody, my greetings to everybody. Guru Purnima for me is another day of festivity, another day of emergence of celebration, and we need to understand how to emerge, how to evolve, how to expose, how to experiment, and how to excel in what we do. So on one end we have conflict, competition, comparison, confrontation, disputes. Now we do not want to be caught up there because we want to go to the other end, which is tranquil, serene, pristine, harmonious, and perhaps even sanctified. Well, in between these two things, there's a big spectrum, a big range, millions of permutation, combination, possibilities, opportunities. Now, where is the third system is a guru system. From the guru system, we get a perspective, a new perception on how to navigate, how to maneuver ourselves through these two extremes. On one side is conflict, confrontation, dispute, comparison. On the other end is tranquility, sanctity, serenity, pristine, and harmony. So as we navigate between these two extremes, we need to come to a balance. And who is going to assure you that you have arrived at the balance? And that is the system of the Guru. And that's why I appreciate it. My greetings, my best wishes for these festivities. Enjoy your Guru Purnima day. A lot of breathing techniques are essential to be able to invoke this Guru system into our nervous system, and a lot of meditations. As an Indian system of meditations are plenty available that invokes the possibility of the grace of the Guru within your system, so that your system becomes equipped to be able to manage the pain, endure the pressures upon us. When you are unable to move through the obstacles, obstructions, restrictions, then we need a help, a support, an encouragement, an inspiration, and perhaps that could be a good understanding of the system of the Guru. And this is a possibility in the Indian civilization. I would not let it go. I would like to investigate and enjoy and to immerse myself in the system of the Gurus, system of the Guru in India, so that how to manage, how to endure, how to move through pressures, how to eliminate from your system insecurity, how to eliminate suspicions, how to eliminate distrust, how to eliminate anxiety and pressure, and how to eliminate a notional, symbolic, and an ambience of threat. So when we know how to eliminate this regressive mindset, then we know how to do the progressive move forward. And don't you think you want somebody to be of support and encouragement? Because we are here talking about the in-depth of the mind. What is in the depths of the mind? Deeper and deeper and deeper as you go through the layers and layers and layers of the mind. There's a spark, there is pulsation, and this pulsation needs to be in the way that it should be working for you to get you higher, to get you forward, to get you to that reverence of the things around you, so that when you are in reverence and grateful for that what you are receiving, for that what you are enjoying, then perhaps new things will open up, new, fresher and newer things can open up. So a Guru system is to open up and do the receiving and express the gratitude. Enjoy, best wishes, greetings on this Guru Purnima day. Do a lot of meditation, understand pranayama.